And then the next thing that we're going to look at is at Excel navigation. So how do you navigate effectively in Excel? I've seen many people that they struggle a lot is that they use the down arrow instead of the available shortcuts in Excel. For instance, if I want to go down to the last cell right at the bottom, what do I do? So I can either use my down arrow. So if I go like this, because my data in this range is about 67, so that means it can work. But now, if you're working, maybe let's assume with data which is going to, let's say, 1,000 rows, for you to go there, it will be an issue. Even like if you see the new Excel has got 1 million rows, so for you to get to the 1 million rows, maybe it may take you maybe say hours for you to go if you're going with the up or down arrow or the right arrow. So how do you do it? So there is the available shortcuts in Excel that they've built in. So how you do it, if you from an account and I want to go to the extreme right of my data set, all I need to do is hold my control down and then click my right arrow. So while control is down, you can see I'm already in the end. And then the next thing again, if I want to go right to the bottom of my data set, all I do is click my control and then click my down arrow. So here we are. So I'm right at the bottom of my data set. If I want to go back again, I can either click my up arrow, or alternatively, if I go down, control down, what I can do, I can click on my control and home key. So that one, it will take me right to the intersection of to the top left corner of my screen, no matter wherever I am in the spreadsheet. So control home, it takes you right to the first cell, A1. So where you go to the very start. And then the other thing that we're going to do in this section is to select our data. So when you're selecting again, either you can use your mouse to select a range. So for example, I can click my mouse on the left click my mouse and then hold it down and then select my cells maybe by going to the left or even going to the left or going to the right and then going down however I want to select or the range that I want to select. But the alternative is to use, because this one again using the mouse, it will take you forever. You've got a lot of data in the range that you want to select. So how best do you do it? So remember, initially we said when we are moving to the extreme left or extreme bottom, we use control plus the right arrow or the down arrow, and then back with the up arrow. So how do you do? We just add one key. So it's going to be control and plus shift. So you hold control and shift together, and then you right click, and then also if you want to select everything to the bottom, then you also, while you're holding your shift and your control down, then you click your down arrow. So there we are. So we have selected the whole entire range. Then you can do whatever you want. Either you want to run a pivot or you want to copy and then paste somewhere, then you can go ahead and do that.